Mali talaga di ba? Mali eh. Ano, naging congressman ka para makakuha ka ng project, para yumaman ka?
Back lang dun sa mga contractor, you mentioned po yung kina Jojo Ang and other...
Angeles, Garjola.
Angeles and Garjola.
Meron pa isa. I think Dong Gonzales cases will come out already. Meron na, no? Dong Gonzales of Pampanga.
May particular project po bang tinignan or in general view lang them being as contractors?
Conflict of interest. Section 3H of Republic Act 3019 is very clear on conflict of interest. It's just that for the longest time, people took it for granted that they do it because they can. But hindi na dapat pwede yan eh. Some legislators kasi, ang galing ako dyan eh, no? Look at it as an entitlement now. Yung panahon namin kasi hindi ganyan eh. Nung panahon namin, it was very simple. Your district gets 60 million in projects or 70 million in projects. Then you have 5 million soft for scholarships, 5 million for medical assistance. That's it. Ngayon kasi naging entitlement na. And there are rules that the government has set in the spending of public funds. Dapat yan sa paggastos ng salapi ng gobyerno, dapat mayroong mga patakaran tayong sinusunod. Ang example dyan, ang mga proyekto na dapat lumalatag sa infrastructure, karamihan yan, kadalasan, dapat yan dumaan yan sa RDC, Regional Development Council. Pinag-aaralan yan. Ginawa ko yan nung ako'y congressman. Hanggang ngayon, ginagawa pa yung project na na-propose ko noong 2007. It's 2026. I proposed the project in 2007. It's still being carried out up to now. Siguro may kulang pa yun na 4 na tulay at mga 3 kilometro pang kalye. Ano yan eh? Ito yung East-West Road from Silang, Cavite to Nasugbu, Batangas. I was the one who made the study on that. Dapat talaga yun ang trabaho ng congressman. Hindi pwedeng sabihin mo, basta bibigyan namin kayo ng project title, dapat bigyan niyo yung perang to. Nagiging ganun na kasi yung lakaran. Hindi na pwede yan. There's no entitlement. And ang naka-complicate pa nito, may mga mahirap sabihin, pero sabihin na natin, no? Contractors na naging congressman and decided to control the show in the House. Yun ang pinakamasakit dyan. Parang as if conflict of interest didn't exist. As if Republic Act 3019 didn't exist. So, it's going to be difficult for anybody who rules this country to put sense unless something is done about conflict of interest. Kasi mali talaga eh, di ba? Mali eh. Ano, naging congressman ka para makakuha ka ng project, para yumaman ka? Mahalay, di ba? Di ba mahalay, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
I reserve my judgment, sir.
So it's okay with you?
No, I have no opinion, sir, but it's yours.
Oh. Pero mahalay eh. I mean, if some people think it's okay, and then you belong to that group who thinks it's okay. But for those who want decency in our society, na maging decente naman ang lahat, hindi na dapat ginagawa yan. Di ba? Yun nga, yung kaya naging contractor, ang tawag. Eh, masakit yan kasi naging congressman din ako, yung may nakakong congressman. Siyempre, sa pinanggalingan ko, masakit sa akin yan, ginagawa ko to. Pero kailangan kong gawin to para tumigil na. Eh, kailan sila titigil? Pag-ubos na pera ng salapi ng Pilipinas. Diba? Naku, sabihin nila, talagyan natin ng tulay. Yung lugar na yan. Sir, walang ilog. Hindi, maghukay kayo ng ilog. Ganun na lang ba ngayon? Diba? Hindi na dapat ganun eh. It's preposterous already. Na i-dictate mo, ganito gastusin ng pera ng bayan.